Make a great choice today with the 2022 Cooper Clubman. The Mini Cooper Clubman is a longer version of the regular Mini with a larger back seat and more cargo space. Fuel economy on the Clubman is excellent, ranging from 29 to 33 miles per gallon. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
MINI certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled MINI technicians. MINI certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your MINI has been reconditioned with 100% genuine MINI parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the MINI certified pre-owned program.